This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Your Motorola is unlocked, charged above 20%, and you can unlock the screen. Open Settings now and tap Security or Apps depending on your Android build. This direct route saves time. Once there, make sure you know whether voice control is tied to Google Assistant or a Motorola-specific service. This determines the next screens you'll use. Don't pause. Proceed into the relevant settings panel so you can disable the service immediately. Now you'll disable the active voice service. In Settings, go to Apps and Notifications and view all apps. Locate Google Voice or the Moto app that handles voice control. Tap into the app, then revoke microphone permission and any assistant or voice permissions so the app can't listen. After that, use Force Stop, then disable or uninstall updates to prevent automatic reactivation. Once done, reboot the phone to ensure the change takes effect and no background listeners restart. Finish by double-checking Google Assistant settings. Settings right arrow Google right arrow voice match. Turn off Hey Google or voice match so wake words won't reactivate control. Test by speaking the wake phrase. Your phone should remain silent. If it still responds, clear the app cache, reset app preferences, and repeat permission revocations. As a last resort, uninstall updates or perform a settings reset. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.